All right, today we're going to take a look at this wireless camera. This is a security camera. The company ARPHA did send this over and compensate me to make this video to show you a little bit more about it. So let's jump into what comes in the box first. So first of all, you do get the actual camera itself. I'll go over that in a second. You get these mounting systems. So this is a nice aluminum mounting bracket, very good quality, along with some mounting opportunities or options there for you. And then you also get this little tool will help you get the memory card out, and then you get the USB-A to USB-C charge cable. Now also it does have an app that you can download. I'll show you a little bit more about that in just a second. So this is voice control. It is waterproof. It has a pretty long standby time, so once you charge it up, that's what makes it wireless. It has two-way audio. It has a wide viewing angle, which you'll see here in just a second. So a lot of AI detection, night vision, so all that kind of stuff, and there's no fees or anything like that associated with it. So for the camera, really simple setup. One, you can mount it onto a tripod, or this sit right here, so you can actually mount this onto a tripod if you need to use it for other use cases. Then you have your motion detection, you have your lens there, and then underneath here, this is the waterproof seal. You have the charge port, the micro SD card, and then the on and off switch. Very easy to get to, very easy to seal up once you're ready to use the camera. So basically, you power it on, you have the app ready, and it's very easy to connect. The quick start guide is going to walk you through it. Actually, the easiest security camera I've connected to my phone. So here you can see some of the quality of the video. Let me show you just a little bit about the app. So what I like about it is, first of all, you can see the percentage left on the camera as far as the battery goes. You can change from HD to SD if you need to. You can put it in vertical or horizontal mode if you want to do that. You can take a picture, you can take a video. I'm not going to do the mic, but you can actually talk back on the microphone and do a two-way conversation. And then you can jump into here to different themes, night mode, motion detection. You can set up all your settings with that if you want that on or not. And then you can jump into the gallery, and this is where you're going to be able to see some playback of your video. So I want to play this large so you can see the quality of it. And this is set up in my office. So first of all, in the top left-hand corner, your time, date, and stamp. And here it is, me walking through the door. And this is just really good quality video. Now, I have this video set pretty close to that door. I have it probably about 2 or 3 feet from that. So it's getting a very, very wide angle of the area. And so if I put this up in my office, it'll get the entire office, no problem whatsoever. It would easily cover most people's front yard, I believe. So if you're looking for a really nice inconspicuous, like this is black, it's very small. I mean, here's how it is compared to my iPhone, just so you can kind of see how small it is. This thing can be set up just about anywhere, undetectable probably if you wanted it to be, and keep your house or your property or your office secure. So if you're looking for a really nice quality video camera, wireless security camera, I definitely recommend this one.